Hi everyone, in this video we will see the area of a triangle using SINE. So for example, if you have a triangle and in this triangle when the height is h and let's say this is capital A, capital B, capital C, and let's say this side is small b, this is small a, and this is small c. So for understanding what you have to remember, here the vertex is capital A. So opposite to this one is small a. This is capital B. Opposite to this is small b. This is capital C. Opposite to this is small c. And the height is small h. Now we know the formula for area is base times height divided 2, right? That is the normal formula to find the area of a triangle, right? Now in this case, if I give you an angle, let's say theta here, then what will I do? That I don't know this height in this case, okay? So how can I represent this height in terms of an angle? Okay, so what will I do here? I will use the sine law. Sine theta is equal, if you remember, so right, so opposite over hypotenuse. In this is opposite is small h over hypotenuse. In this case, this is your base. For this triangle only we are looking, so your hypotenuse will be how much? Your hypotenuse will be c. So h is equal to c sine theta, right? So for this triangle, when you are looking from this point, then your area will be b c sine theta divided by 2. So that's how you will derive the formula. Okay, now for example, let's say in the same triangle, let me just remove all this. Yeah, or else let me draw this again. Okay, so in the same triangle, let's say this is your triangle. Again, this is capital, okay, this is B A C. I will take the same. This was your height. Opposite to this will be small a, opposite to this small b, opposite to this small c. Now for example, if I'm looking from here, let's say this angle is theta, so I'm trying to find area for this whole triangle. Now this angle is theta, so I'm looking into this triangle now. Now here when this is theta, so what you will do, sine theta is equal opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite is height and hypotenuse is a, so height is equal a sine theta, and the area for whole triangle is base times height divided 2. So in this formula I will substitute the value. Area is equal, now this is b, this is a sine theta, so I'm writing in the sequence ab sine theta divide 2. So did you notice something here? Now when I'm taking from C, then C is missing and I have AB sine theta divide 2. So similarly, when I was looking from A, when I was looking from this side, then it was BC sine theta divide 2. So what do you think, what will happen if I check from here? If I do it from here, then your formula for area will be AC sine theta divide 2. Right? So that's these three formulas, either you can remember or you can use the concept. Okay, I will prefer the concept or any day, because that will apply to all type of questions if you get confused anyway. So let's try to solve the questions. Now let's say if you have a question here, say this is your triangle In this triangle, this is capital A, capital B, and capital C. Now this angle is given 104 degree. This is 9 meter and this is 8 meter. Now what is the formula for area of a triangle? That is base times height divided 2. That we know, right? Now in this case, what is happening? This is your angle, right? Now you need to check from this angle. So how will you do it? So if you have this capital A, opposite to this is small a, capital B, opposite to this is small b, and capital C, opposite to this is small c. Now the angle is at capital C. So what will be my formula for area? That will be AB sine theta divided 2, right? Because it is at C, and we did in the previous explanation that we get this formula for area. Now it's very simple. Area is equal, A is 8, B is 9, sine theta is 104 degree, 104 degree divided by 2. Now you can solve this in the calculator and you will get your answer, right? That's how you will find the area. If you want me to solve it, let me solve this example for you. Rest example you can try by yourself. So I'm just writing using the calculator anyway, okay? So 8 times 9 times sine 104, and that is divided by 2. So it is giving me 35.92. Okay, so I'm just leaving 35.9 meter square. That's your answer. Okay, so now let's try to solve few more example on this topic. Now let's say if you have to find the area of a triangle ABC, this is your given information. The nearest to the nearest 10th, and angle A is 31 degree, small b is 18 meters, and small c is 22 meters. Now how will I find the area? So if I directly want to use the formula, I will use like area is equal, the angle is given A, so I will use BC sine theta over 2, or you can say this theta you can write capital A, okay, for clear understanding. So BC sine 31 degree divide 2. Now B and C is 18 multiply 22. So that's 18 multiply 22 multiply this. You can solve this, you will get your answer. Now if you want to draw the triangle, then how you will draw it? Let's say, because this is 31, so it will be acute. So let's say this type of triangle, and let's say this is your A, B, and C. Longest one is opposite to C. Okay, so I'll have to keep it like this. Let's just keep it like this, right? Because this is 22, so that is the longest one opposite to this, right? And this is your 18, because opposite to capital B is a small b, and this angle is 31 degree. So that's how you will draw the triangle. Well, that's not needed, but if you want to understand, you can draw this. Okay, so a few more example, and the next example is, this is example number 1. This is triangle ABC here, A, B, C. This is 7 meter, this is 8 meter, and this angle is 86 degree. Now you have to find the area of triangle ABC. Okay, good. So the area formula will be what? I know two sides here and this angle. Good. So I will multiply these two sides. 7 multiply 8 multiply sine 86 degree divided by 2. That's it, right? If you want to use the formula in formula way, then this is a small a, this is small c, and this is a small b. Since angle is at A, so the formula of area will be BC sine angle capital A divided by 2, right? This angle you can take theta or you can write angle A, no problem, same thing. Okay, don't get confused in that. That is the same thing. So that is the formula and I directly substitute the value. Next question. Next question you have again triangle ABC. So this is your A, B and C. 4 meter, this is 42 degree, this is 30 degree, and this time you have all the angles given and this side is the 3 meter. Now find the area of triangle ABC again. So what you will do in this case, which side you should take. So here we know all the formula. If I'm taking, let's say, these two sides, if I'm taking angle B, so let me just clearly, this will be small b, this will be small c, and this will be small a. So if I'm taking angle B, then my formula will be AB sine angle B divide 2, right? Now here you don't know B, so can you use this formula? No. Now area is equal. This time if you want to use okay, if you want to use, let's say, 42 degree, so this is angle A, right? In this case you will have to use B and C. BC sine angle A divide 2. Now again, small, this side is not given, so can you use this? No. Now what about the last one? The last formula that we have to use, in this case, let's say angle C. So your formula will be AB sine angle C divide 2, right? Can I use this formula? I know A here 3, C here 4, and I know angle C is 108. So yes, I can use this formula if I want to use and solve it. So A is 3 multiply, C is 4, so 4 multiply sine 108 degree divide 2. Substitute this in the calculator and you will get your answer. Right, that's how you will solve. Now next question, you have question number 3. Angle A is 40 degree, B is 11 meter, C is 6 meter. Now which formula I will use for area? BC, two side is given, BC sine angle A divide 2. B is 11, C is 6, multiply sine 40 degree divide 2. Substitute this in the calculator, you will get your answer. And the unit will be meter square. Don't forget the unit. Next question. Angle B is given 103 degree. Small a is 20 centimeter. And C is 18 centimeter. So again, the area formula is AC sine angle B divide 2. A is 20, C is 18, sine 103. So 103 degree divide 2, or let me rewrite because the space wasn't enough. Okay, 20 multiply 18 multiply sine 103 degree divided by 2. Solve this and you will get your answer. Don't forget to write the unit. Unit is centimeter square. So that's how you will solve the area of a triangle using the sine. Okay, so I hope this will help you to solve all the question on the area of a triangle using sine. See you in the next video with the law of sine. Don't forget to watch that video.